Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add your Revolut Junior card to Apple Pay. So let's get started. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Choose debit or credit card, then tap continue. Now, either scan your Revolut Junior card by holding your iPhone near the card's chip, or enter the details manually, including your name and card number. Then tap Next and your Revolut Junior card will be added to Apple Pay. And that's it. You're all set to make easy and secure payments with Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.